People would want to know how old you are. So, talking about yourself in fante, you tell them your age. So we say this in fante, Medzimfe. Medzimfe, where you are from. I mean, your hometown or your town of origin. So with this, we say in fante, Mifi. Then you add the name of your hometown. So I have some selected towns here. I have Nkran, which is Accra in English. I have Otsu, a town in the central region of Ghana. I have Edina, which is also a town in the central region of Ghana. I have Takwa. If you are listening to me from Takwa, you can say, I am from Takwa, Mifi Takwa. We also have